Hey everyone! You know how much I love talking about good food, right? Well, today we're diving into something really important: gut health. It's amazing how much our gut affects our overall well-being. We're talking about energy levels, our mood, even our immune system. So, we're going to explore 6 amazing foods that can really make a difference in keeping your gut happy and healthy. Let's get started. First up, we have yogurt. This creamy, delicious treat is not just a breakfast staple or a quick snack. It's a powerhouse of nutrition and health benefits. You probably have some in your fridge right now, but do you know just how beneficial it can be for you? Yogurt is like a superhero for your gut. It's not just tasty, it's packed with nutrients like calcium, protein, and vitamins that your body needs. It's packed with these amazing things called probiotics. These are live bacteria and yeasts that are good for you, especially your digestive system. Now, probiotics are like tiny little helpers that live in your gut and keep everything running smoothly. They help balance the good and bad bacteria to keep your body working the way it should. They're like the best roommates you could ask for, cleaning up and keeping things balanced. Imagine having a team of tiny custodians working around the clock to keep your digestive system in top shape. When you're picking out your yogurt, just make sure it says live and active cultures on the label. This ensures that you're getting those beneficial probiotics. That's how you know you're getting those good probiotics. So next time you enjoy a cup of yogurt, remember, you're not just treating your taste buds, you're also doing a huge favor for your gut health. And the best part? Yogurt comes in so many flavors and varieties. There's something for everyone. Whether you like it plain with fruit or even in a smoothie, there's a yogurt out there for you. You can even get creative with it. Add it to your smoothies, use it as a base for salad dressings, or even as a substitute for sour cream in recipes. The possibilities are endless. So the next time you reach for that yogurt cup, know that you're making a choice that's delicious and incredibly good for you. Yogurt truly is a small but mighty addition to your diet. Next, we're getting a little fancy with kefir. This unique beverage has been around for centuries, originating from the Caucasus Mountains. It's a staple in many cultures and is now gaining popularity worldwide. Kefir is like yogurt's tangy cousin, but unlike yogurt, which is typically thick and creamy, kefir has a more liquid consistency, making it perfect for drinking. It's a versatile ingredient that can be used in smoothies, salad dressings, or even as a base for cold soups. It's a fermented drink, kind of like a thin yogurt, and it's full of probiotics too. These probiotics are beneficial bacteria that help maintain a healthy balance in your gut. They can aid in digestion, boost your immune system, and even improve your mood. Think of kefir as a little whisperer for your gut, helping to calm things down and keep everything moving along. It's especially helpful for those who are lactose intolerant, as the fermentation process breaks down much of the lactose, making it easier to digest. If you're feeling a little adventurous, give kefir a try. You can start with plain kefir and gradually explore flavored varieties like strawberry, blueberry, or even exotic options like mango and coconut. You can find it in most grocery stores, often near the yogurt. Look for it in the dairy section, and don't be afraid to ask for recommendations. Your gut will thank you for it. Now let's talk about sauerkraut. I know, it might not sound like the most appetizing thing, but trust me on this one. Sauerkraut is basically fermented cabbage, and it's a powerhouse for your gut. Not only is it loaded with probiotics, but it's also a great source of fiber. Fiber is like a broom for your intestines, helping to sweep everything out and keep things regular. Let's jet set over to Korea for our next gut-healthy food: kimchi. Kimchi is like sauerkraut's spicy, flavorful cousin. It's made with fermented vegetables, usually cabbage or radishes, and it's bursting with probiotics. If you're looking for a way to add a little kick to your meals and give your gut a boost, kimchi is the way to go. Our next stop takes us to Japan, the land of delicious and healthy food. We're talking about miso. Miso is a paste made from fermented soybeans, and it's a staple in Japanese cuisine. Don't let its small size fool you. Miso is packed with probiotics and flavor. You can add it to soups, sauces, marinades. The possibilities are endless. Last but not least, we have kombucha. Kombucha is like the cool kid on the block when it comes to gut health. It's a fermented tea that's bubbly, slightly tangy, and full of probiotics. You can find kombucha in so many different flavors these days, from ginger to berries to even coffee. It's a refreshing and delicious way to give your gut some love. So there you have it, 6 amazing foods that can work wonders for your gut health. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet can make a significant difference in how you feel overall. From the fiber-rich benefits of whole grains to the probiotic power of yogurt, each of these foods plays a unique role in maintaining a healthy gut. Remember, it's not just about eating these foods occasionally, but making them a regular part of your meals. Remember, a happy gut means a happier you. When your gut is in good shape, it can improve your mood, boost your immune system, and even help you maintain a healthy weight. So, take the time to nourish your gut with these amazing foods. Your body will thank you for it. If you enjoyed these tips and want to see more videos like this, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you'll get notified every time I post a new video filled with health tips, delicious recipes, and more ways to improve your well-being. Your support means a lot and helps me create more content for you. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can learn how to boost their gut health too. Sharing is caring, and by spreading this knowledge, you can help others lead healthier, happier lives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay healthy.